Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, all. How are you?
Fine. Fine.
Did you enjoy your
Fine.
vacation?
Yes.
So, are you ready to start?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, now we are still working in volume 1. So, open page 375. Okay, so now let's start. Today we are going to take factors. You know what is the meaning of factors? You know what is the meaning of factors? For example, in this multiplication equation, 2 times 3 equal 6. So now if you look here, the numbers that are multiplied together, this 2 and this 3, are called factors. Again, the numbers that are multiplied together are called factors. Okay, now the answer to multiplication equation is called product. So again, the numbers multiplied together are called factors. The answer to multiplication equation is called product. We are in page 375, volume 1. Okay, so now let's start. Let's read this problem. He is asking, Jared has 20 flowers. He wants to plant all the flowers in equal rows. So what are the different ways he can arrange the flowers in equal rows? So the total number of flowers is 20. He has 20 flowers. Now he wants to arrange these flowers in equal rows. So now he is asking me, what are all the different ways he can arrange his flowers? So I will think of all the factors. What times what will give me 20? Yes, ya Umar? I want all the factors. What times what will give me 20?
10 times 2 or 5 times 4.
Excellent. Let me start with the first factor, 1. Okay, I will start in order. 1 times what will give me 20, ya Umar?
20.
Excellent. 1 times 20 equal 20. Also, I can change the order of the factors. I can say also 20 times 1 equal 20. So he can make one row of 20 flowers or 20 rows in each row, one flower only. Now let's go to the second factor, factor 2. 2 times what will give me 20?
10.
Excellent, Ya Umar. 2 times 10 equal 20. Mawadda, also we can change the order of the factors. I can start with 10 times 2 equal also
equal 20. 20 I mean.
excellent. So he can make 2 rows in each row 10 flowers, or he can make 10 rows in each row 2 flowers. What are other possible ways, ya Mawadda? Can I say 3 times what equal 20? Do we have 3 times a number will give me 20?
No.
No. Let's try 4. 4 times what will give me 20?
4 times
Excellent, ya Yaman. Excellent, Yasin. Excellent, Malik Saif.
4 times 5.
All of you excellent. Yes. 4 times 5 also will give me 20. Also, we can change the order of the factors. I will start with 5 times 4. It will give me the same product. So the other way he can arrange his flowers, he can make 4 rows. In each row, 5 flowers, or he can make 5 rows. In each row, 4 flowers. So now I want you to tell me what are the factors of 20. What are the factors for 20? All the numbers
1
multiplied
multiply
together
2,
are
1
called
multiply
factors.
20, and 2 multiply 10, and 4 multiply 5.
Yes, but I want to write it in order. So we started with 1, then we have 2, then I have 4, and I have 5, 10, and 20. So these are the factors of 20. Okay, I wrote all the factors of 20. 1 and 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. So I want you to write all these equations. We have 6 equations that will give me product 20. Yes, Yason?
Miss, I write in the box or no?
Which box? You mean the chart?
Yeah.
Yes, write on the chart. Write on the chart. Write the equations on the chart.
Okay. I'm not right here.
Okay, when you finish, open the next page, 376. Okay, now open the next page, 376. In this problem, Jean has 16 action figures. Okay, she wants to arrange them in equal groups. So what are all the ways she can arrange her figures? She has 16 figures and she wants to arrange them in equal groups. So give me all the possible ways. What times what will give me 16? Z Haitham? What times what will give me 16? Start from the beginning. Zaid, are you talking? Malik Rami? Sorry, Zaid, there is no sound. Malik Rami? What times what will give me 16? Start with the first factor, 1. Always start with the first factor. 1 times what gives you 16?
Watch. I teacher together. Watch.
Yaman?
1 times 16.
Excellent. 1 times 16 equals 16. So she can make one group of 16 figures, or she can make 16 groups, in each group one figure. Okay, I can change the order of the factors and the product will be the same. Now, can you tell me the second equation, ya Yaman?
2 multiply 8 equals 16.
Excellent. So she can also make 2 groups, in each group 8 figures, or 8 times 2. I can change the order of the factors and the product will be the same. So she can make 8 groups, in each group 2 figures. Ammar, can you tell me another possible way?
4 multiply 4.
Excellent. If you try 3, we can't multiply any number by 3 to get 16. So I will skip 3 and I will go to 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. So she can make 4 groups, in each group 4 figures. Can you find any other equation?
Yeah.
What times what?
Equals 16. Right 1, right 2. Okay, 8.
I already have it. 8 times 2, we already wrote it up. So we don't have any other possible way, okay? The only possible ways is 1 times 16 or 16
Yes, I
times
write
1.
it.
No, all of this is already written in your book. Don't write.
Okay.
Okay, now I want you to look. Can you see the underlined factors? These are called factor pairs. What is the meaning of factor pairs? 2 numbers, when multiplied together, will give me a certain product. Like this, 4 times 4. This is called factor pair. Factor pair. What is the meaning of factor pair? 2 numbers, when I multiply them together, it will give me certain product, like 16. So this is called factor pair. So when I ask you to find the factor pairs for 16, you will tell me 1 times 16, 16 times 1, 2 times 8, 8 times 2, and 4 times 4, okay? All these are called factor pairs. Yes, ya Omar?
The factor pair is only with multiplication or division plus minus also?
This word factor is related to multiplication only. So when I say factor, you understand it's multiplication. Okay? Okay, Omar? These numbers multiplied together are called factors.
Okay.
Okay, now, who can tell me what are the factors of number 16? I want you to tell me the factors in order. Who can tell me the factors of 16? Now I wrote all the equations. I want you, Yasin, only to tell me the factors. I used 1 as a factor. I used 2. I didn't use 3. Then I used
4.
4. Did we use 5?
No.
6?
And
Look
8.
at the equation. You can take the factors from the equation. I used 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. So
Yeah.
this number 16, I used 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. I found the factors 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. These are the factors for the number 16. Okay?
This lesson is so easy.
Yes, it's so easy. It's like introduction. Okay, now open the next page, 377. So when he asks you to find the factor pairs, you will write this. What times what will give you this number. And when he asks you to find the factors, I will write it like this in order, starting from 1. I used 1 and 2 and 4 and 8 and 16. So I will write it in order. 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. Okay, now in problem number 1, it says, Jane bought 7 more action figures. What are the different equal size groups she can make now? She had 16. Okay? Jane had 16 figures. Selim, stop playing. Then she bought 7 more. So how many figures she has now, Yahala? She had 16 and she bought 7 more. So how many figures she has now?
She has 23.
There is no sound, Yahala. I will say 16 plus 7. She had 16 and she bought 7 more. So I will add 16 plus 7 equal 23. So now she has 23 figures. So how can she arrange them? What times what equal 23?
What equals 23? 1 times 23.
1 times 23. Or 23
3
times
times
1. Hala, please fix your sound problem. I can't hear you at all. So the only possible ways is 1 times 23, or I can change the order of the factors 23 times 1. So she can make one group with 23 figures or 23 groups, in each group one figure. So in problem number 1, write these equations. In problem 1, write these equations. Okay, in question number 2, I want you to write this note. All even numbers have 2 as a factor. All the even numbers have 2 as a factor. So this is the answer for question 2. He is asking, what factor besides 1 does every even number have? So the answer is 2. All even numbers have 2 as a factor. Write this note and study. All even numbers has 2 as a factor. When you finish writing, raise your hands. Okay, very good. Okay, Salim, unmute. Okay, now in question number 3, he wants me to write the factors of each number. Okay, write all the factors of each number. So the first number is 2. What times what will give me 2?
1 times 2 equals 2.
Yes. Do you have any other factors will give you 2? No,
What?
we don't have. We don't have any other factors. So the factors are 1 and 2 only. Okay?
2 only.
The only possible way to get the number 2 by factors 1 times 2. So the factors here 1 and 2. Okay, now Saeed. Number 4, he wants me to write all the factors for number 20. All the factors for 20. Start from the beginning. 1 times what?
1 times 20.
Equal 20. Yes. Now, the second factor is 2. 2 times what will give you 20?
2 times 10.
Excellent. Can we try 3? Can you multiply 3 times number will give you 20?
No.
No. Try 4.
4 times 5.
Excellent. Do you have any other numbers?
And 5 times 4?
It is the same factors. Yes. So these are the possible ways. So now I will write the factors. How can I write the factors? I will write it in order. First 1, then 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. Okay? It's better to write it in order. So we can use 1 as a factor, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. So these are the factors for 20. You write the equations to help you find the factors. Okay? Okay, number 5. He wants me to find the factors for number 28. Who can tell me the factors for 28, Yaman?
For 28,
I want you to find the factors for 28. Start from the beginning. Always start from the beginning. 1
times 28.
Okay. 2 times. I told you all even numbers. All even numbers have 2 as a factor. So 2 times what equal 28? To find it, use division. 2 divided 2.
2 divide 2.
8 divided 2.
8 divided 2. 4.
4. So 14. 2 times 14 will give you 28. To find the missing factor, ya Yaman, we can use division. I can say 28 divided 2, it gave me 14. So I can use 14 as a factor because I divided 28 by 2 and it gave me 14 with nothing left over. I don't have any remainder. I divided all the 28 and I don't have any left over. So I can use 14 as a factor. Now, can we use 3 as a factor?
No.
3 times what will give me 28? Let's try. Let's try. Maybe it will give me 28 divided 3. Can you divide 2? Can you divide 2 by 3?
No.
So I will take all the 28. 28 divided 3.
Divide.
The closest number is 9.
6.
9 times 3 is 27. I will subtract. I have 1 left over. So I can't use 3 as factor. I will skip it. You understand how can I find factors?
Yes.
If we can divide with nothing left over, so yes, I can use this number as a factor. But here when I divide it by 3, we have left over. So no, 3 can't be used as a factor. So I will skip 3.
4.
4 times what?
7. 7.
Excellent. 4 times 7 will give me 28. What else? I finish. This is the last factors. So can you tell me the factors in order, ya Yaman?
1,
Tell me 1,
2, 4, 7, 14, 28.
yes. So I have to write the factors in order. So 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28. These are the factors for number 28.
Miss, I write only 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, and 28 on number 5.
You have to write all. First, you write the factor pairs to help you find the factors. Then you have to write for me like this. You have to write it like this in order. If I told you only what is the factor pairs, you can write till here and stop. These are called factor pairs. When I say write the factors, so you have to write it like this in order.
I want to do number 6.
Yaman, you
Miss, I
already
can-
solved.
I can
So
make
you
number
have to
6.
give your friends a chance.
Miss, I can
Okay.
make number 6. I didn't answer.
Okay, you can. Okay, in number 6, I want to find all the factors for 54. So we will start with
1 multiply 54.
excellent. So in any number, we will start with 1 times the same number. I will start with 1 times 54. And this number is even, so we can use 2 as a factor. 2 times what will give me 54? I will use division to find the other factor. 5 divided 2.
2.
Then I will multiply 2 times 2 equal 4. Subtract 5 minus 4.
1.
And I will take the 4 down. 14 divided 2.
14 divided 2 equal 7.
7 times 2, 14, subtract 0. So the other factor is 27 because I have nothing left over. So it can be used as a factor 2 times 27. Okay? I will try 3. 3 times what will give me 54?
3 times what will give me 54?
5 divided 3. We have to divide for big numbers. For big numbers, you have to divide like this to find the other factor.
Equal
5,
1.
1. 1 times 3, 3.
1 times 3 is 3.
Subtract 5 minus 3 equal 2. Take the 4 down. 24 divided 3.
24 divided 3 equal 8.
8. So the answer is 18. 8 times 3 equal 24. So we can divide with nothing left over. I have 0 remainder. So we can use 3 as factor. It will be 3 times 18. Can we try 4?
Yeah.
Try 4.
Okay.
5 divided 4.
1.
1 times 4 equal 4. Subtract 1. And I will take the 4 down. 14 divided 4.
35. 3.
3. 3 times 4.
3 times 4 equal 3 times 4.
12.
12.
Subtract, it will give you 2 remainder. So I can't use 4 as a factor. If you have remainder, we can't use it as a factor. Again, when I divided 54 by 4, it gave me 13 and 2 remainder. It can't be used. If we have any remainder or any leftover, I can't use it as a factor. Okay? Okay, now can we use 5? 5 times what equal 54?
5 times 54.
Use the same way. Use the same way. 54 divided 5. 5 divided 5.
1.
I will take the 4 down. Can you divide 4 by 5?
No.
No. So I have 4 remainder. So also I can't use 5 as factor. Try 6.
6 multiply 9.
Excellent. 6 times 9. Can we use?
Yeah. 54.
Can we use 7?
No.
No, we don't have. So I finish here. So can you tell me the factors in order?
Yeah. 1, 1,
2, 3, 6.
Continue. All these are factors. All the numbers multiplied together are called factors. You have to write all in
7.
order. Where is the 7?
4,
1, 2, 3, 6, 9,
9,
18,
27,
27,
54.
and 54. Is it okay? All of you understand? So if you have big numbers, you can use division like this to find if you can use this factor or no. If you have any remainder or any leftover, it can't be used as a factor, okay? Is it easy today? All of you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so we finished our lesson for today. See you tomorrow. If you are still writing, I will wait for you. If you finish, you can leave. Yes, Yasin?
But 7 21. What we will do? It's homework 7 21.
Yes, from 7 to 21, it's homework.
Bye.
Bye. See you tomorrow.